So every so often I'll tend to get an email from someone who's a bit confused in relation to patreon.com/Learn Irish Online and learnirishonline.com. Are they both the same thing? Do they both host the same materials? If I'm a member on one, can I get the courses on the other? And so on. So here's the short answer firstly. learnirishonline.com is essentially just for our courses. So that's the Bun course Gaeilge, the beginner's course, on course the Tishkana, the comprehension course, the cheat sheet pack, which is little digital products you can buy, and also the 7-week level up course, which you can see the logo for on screen now. I'll explain why that's on screen, even though we're on the Patreon, in a minute. But that's what the website is for, learnirishonline.com. Guys, yeah, you have to make an account over there, but that's not really becoming a Learn Irish Online member. That's just because you have to put in an email to confirm yourself for the course. Okay, and the courses you pay a certain price for it, 60, 80, 100 euro, and you get lifetime access to it. It's self-paced. You're buying to get access to a load of different materials and to get email support throughout the completion of the course. The membership over here on patreon.com/Learn Irish Online is quite different. So what the membership is on Patreon is you pay a certain amount per month. It's €7 per month plus the VAT, which unfortunately Patreon add on. I can't control that. It's €7 per month, and you get access to a load of different video and podcast series that we make. So on Gaeilge Weekly or here on YouTube, you might see or hear me mention things like Éist Arís, Léigh Arís, Líofacht, and so on. Different series that we make. They're available in only one place, and that's here on the membership. So you pay your membership fee every month and you get access to all these things. We generally release about 2 members shows a week. So this week, for example, it's Léigh Arís, which I put out today. I'm going to scroll through and show you all the different stuff we have up anyway and look at kind of what's gone up in the last month alone. So Léigh Arís went up today, and then later this week it'll probably be either Líofacht or it will be Topic Breakdown, one of the two towards the end of this week. I'll talk you through what those shows are as I go through. So this is what life looks like as a member. This is the first post, and this is the only pinned post. And this is the one time, I suppose, the Patreon and the main website, it's learnirishonline.com, when I refer to the main website, this is where they cross over a tiny bit, is that as a Learn Irish Online member, you straight away get 20% off all courses over on learnirishonline.com. So even if you sign up for a free trial and you straight away cancel it, you can still get 20% off any course, because the discount code is down here. I would have to click show more to show it to you. So for obvious reasons, I won't do that now. But you click show more, you have the discount code at the bottom, and you can use that for any course over on the main website. So that's the one time they kind of link up. Then these are the non-pinned posts. So in order of how recently they came out. And this is Léigh Arís. So this came out an hour ago. Léigh Arís, meaning read again. This is a show where I pick out 1 or 2 articles, normally news articles, but today and recently I've been trying to do more social media stuff and more online writing. So even though with the news articles they are online news articles, I suppose more informal and everyday Irish. Today I went to the Gaeilge subreddit, picked out a few different posts and answers on the subreddit, and I read it out so you can hear the pronunciation, and then we go through it line by line, picking out certain bits, certain interesting grammar points. Why is it written like this? Why is there a H there? Why is it this word instead of that word? Is it because of dialect? It's more like this, and just analysing the text a bit, but not getting too heavy on the linguistic side of it, just in generally making it easier for you guys to read something like that and understand it. That's our always main thing. And you get the links to the posts and also a little PDF I went through during the video as well. And that video is 36 minutes, so a decent chunk of time spent talking about different things that come up throughout the article. Éist Arís is similar concept, but with comprehension clips. So these 2 clips again, and the timestamps for them so you can listen to them yourselves, but I play them in the little podcast. What is it, a half an hour podcast, this one? So I play a clip for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds of someone speaking Irish. Every week it's a different dialect, different speaker, different pace, different level of Irish. Obviously some people are much harder to understand than others, especially with Irish when you have so many non-native and then so many native speakers and a mix of everything. So we listen to the clip. I get you to listen to it a few times until you've got as much of it as you possibly can, even if it's only very little. And then I break it down line by line, pausing, playing 2 seconds, pausing. Why is it like that? Listen to that pronunciation. The reason it's this word, similar to Léigh Arís, just with spoken Irish and us listening to Irish. Also, if you follow, well, you probably follow us already on YouTube if you're watching here, but if you follow us on YouTube, or on Instagram rather, you'll know about these posts that I tend to put up over on Instagram. Just things like the big five here, the big five prepositions, why they're important. Again, if we can click into one, egg here, egg for at, and the different versions of it. So all the free stuff I tend to put up here as well, and Gaeilge Weekly, as we'll see in a few seconds, is also put up here on the Patreon. So even though you get exclusive access to a lot of stuff, also the free stuff, I put it in here just to keep it all in one place. So instead of you having to go to Spotify for Gaeilge Weekly, then Instagram for these type of posts, TikTok for videos, or YouTube here, you get pretty much everything here on the Patreon. The odd video that I might not put up is one like this, where it would kind of be pointless me putting up a video like this to members who've already signed up. Then you get Gaeilge Weekly. Gaeilge Weekly comes out on Tuesday on Patreon instead of Wednesday. It comes out at 4 o'clock Irish time, so 24 hours ahead of when it's out everywhere else on Spotify and Apple Podcasts and so on. So you also get it without the ads. You'll hear on Gaeilge Weekly, if you listen to Gaeilge Weekly, sometimes I put in little 1 minute ads in the middle, advertising, things like this, things like the membership. If you sign up, you don't have to listen to any of that. It just goes straight in with the intro, and it doesn't stop throughout until the outros. They're uploaded on Tuesday at 4 p.m. instead of Wednesday, if you can't wait until midweek. Time Guesser, I don't do these videos often, but sometimes I'll do some gaming videos because I've been away for the last week or two. It's been easier to make videos like this, where I play Time Guesser. It's just a fun little online kind of geography history game. Play for half an hour, just speaking Irish throughout the time while I'm playing, and trying to slow the Irish down a bit to make it a bit more comprehensible. Again, similar things, something I put up on Instagram, just a little notice. This is also good, I think. If there's not going to be a Gaeilge Weekly that week, sometimes I put up polls as well in terms of what would you like to see more of, less of. I remember when I changed the cover for Gaeilge Weekly last year, and also when I decided to go a bit of a different direction on Instagram, it was all polls and stuff I put up here in the membership. So again, to get feedback straight from people who are consuming. I suppose the content layer each, same thing again, and the link is there. That, again, is about half an hour, is it? Yeah, half an hour of content. The videos here, which you'll see here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, the little short 1 or 2 minute videos. And I'm going to start doing some of those videos exclusively for members. So even though all these ones you see here, the short videos, I'm sure there's another one not too far away after this, Éist Arís, again, another Instagram one, Gaeilge Weekly, and again, you can comment on these and I'll get back to you normally. Or that's another thing, let's say if we go to, there's another Instagram, YouTube one. So I'm going to start making some of these exclusively for members as well. I'm going to start making more of them very soon. But yeah, let's say here, for example, if someone leaves a comment, I don't want to be showing everybody's comments here, but if someone leaves a specific comment or asks a question about, oh, Liam, sorry, I didn't fully get the explanation on that bit, or at 5 minutes, 12 seconds, he says this, and oh, why is it said like that? Anything you feel like I haven't addressed in the show, you get to comment and I get back to you within a day or two. That's the idea. This was Relating to Full, something different. I don't have a name for this series, but I did like doing it, basically. And I hope you won't be able to hear this, but you might be able to see a bit of it anyway. I'll mute that just in case, but I don't think it'll come through on this recording anyway. But this is where I was basically sat down for 25 minutes. I started off with one little prompt, one little translation, and kind of just chatted, almost like a little TED Talk or something, for 20-25 minutes. But all this translation is important of this kind of idea with it, and then with this idea, that'll help you with a lot of things, this language, and just chatting about generally learning the language for about 20-25 minutes. That's something I've started doing recently. Again, Gaeilge Weekly, a day early, Líofacht. Líofacht, so we've almost covered all the shows now, just Líofacht and Aistriú would be the two that we haven't. Líofacht is where I go listen to a lot of different podcasts and listen to myself speaking during the week, and I'll write out about 10 phrases or words or pronunciations that I think only kind of fluent speakers would use, or that might be tough for people who are learning to understand. So stuff that's a bit more advanced in the language, but stuff that's actually used by people who speak the language well. That's why it's called Líofacht, meaning fluency. And then I'll just break them down and talk about them. So they're nice little add-ons you can use in your own speech every day, but also will hopefully help you understand high-level speakers better yourselves. And this is going back to the 3rd of March. I record this the same day it's going to go out, the 1st of April. So, this is just 1 month. We started in August 2023. So you can go all the way back to the shows we did right back in August. Gaeilge Weekly Q&A. So again, if you remember here, you could have asked questions for the Q&A. Another Instagram post, Gaeilge Weekly, Aistriú for Aistriú as well, which is a new one I started, where I just kind of think out loud, basically, and start writing out whatever comes to mind, and then talk you through why I'm writing it in the way I'm writing it. So again, this only goes back about 5 weeks, 6 weeks. At this point, another LIO Arís. There must be an Aistriú somewhere. But Aistriú, I give you 6 sentences in English that are slightly tricky. Also on Terence, the draw. So the winners were down here. And the idea was, this is when the new course came out in February. That again, okay, 1 person over on Instagram, 1 free access, but about 2 people here, 2 members on the Patreon, 1 free access to it. Okay, there it is, the first post. Anyway, I won't bore you constantly going back to this. There's Aistriú. So I give you 6 sentences in English, and the idea is they're a bit tricky grammatically. A lot of different things going on with them. There they are. You didn't get much from them. They wanted to call me. You would understand them 100%. You translate them into Irish, and I break them down one by one. You can check if you're right and what you had wrong. And again, if you feel like you had an alternative translation, might be right, you leave a comment, I'll get back to you, and so on. So that is what life looks like as a Learn Irish Online member. Because as I said, one of the biggest philosophies of Learn Irish Online, because I often feel like I'm really advertising to people with a lot of the stuff I do, is I do not want anyone spending money on something they're not going to use. So that's why the free trial is available. It's not a big marketing thing or trying to get people to forget they've used it or anything. It's the reason there's a 100% money back guarantee on all the courses on the website. I want people to sign up to use it for a week, to go back to August 23, watch all the different shows. You won't get through all of them, I'm sure, but watch whatever ones you like, see if you like it, and if you want to continue and support us, again, when you're paying your membership fee every month, the €7, the €7 plus VAT every month, you're helping the Irish language, because you're allowing me to be able to create more stuff like this, create more courses, and push the podcast more and make more episodes and so on, and hopefully help more people around the world speak Irish or be able to feel more comfortable with Irish and learn it in an easier way with less fear and less hassle. So again, when you're paying the membership fee every month, that's the idea. It's going back in to the language and more content and better content, higher production value, looking at, again, being able to kind of level things up in terms of the production, in terms of camera and microphones later this year. So that's the idea really with the membership. Hopefully that clears it up and you get an idea. But as I said, you can get this for free for yourself. 1 week free trial. Just go to patreon.com/Learn Irish Online and the links will all be down below. But that's what life is like as a Patreon member, as an LIO member. And we also have the Gaeilge Weekly tier, where all the Gaeilge Weekly stuff I mentioned, principally early access, so 24-hour earlier for the release, and as well as that ad-free access and the bonus episodes. So I do 1 bonus episode a month, although I haven't done it, I must say, the last month, but every month before that I had been very busy with the course and shocked on the Gaeilge, so I'm going to do one again in the next week or 2. You get a bonus episode normally once a month, okay, for Gaeilge Weekly. And the Gaeilge Weekly tier, just the Gaeilge Weekly benefits, that's about $3.50 or so. So that's it, guys. Hopefully that makes sense. Any questions, please leave a comment down below, or you can email me at liam.learnirishonline@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and I might see you over on the membership very soon. Slán go fóill.